Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Finance Investment Tracker. So all you need to do is open Google and then search for google.com/finance and then create new portfolio. You name it Tracker, then you save it. Now you can click on add investment. You choose the investment, you choose the quantity, purchase date, for example this date, and the price, and then you click on save. Now you can track your investment here. If you wish to add another investment, all you need to do is click on this and then you add the new investment, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.